And welcome guys to another little video of our little series and all that stuff that we've got going on here. Now today's video is going to be over just straight. Why isn't this showing up? Oh yeah, that's right. In our thing we've got main player. This isn't what the problem is. It's my base, my weapon thingy. It's on layer 0 and I need 1. And there we go. So anyway, I plan on being on stream for Twitch and everything. But the project and things that we are going to work on. Oh, I'm dying. Hopefully not. Is going to be of the UnderDog project. And the UnderDog project is going to be straight a just game. It's going to be a straight game. But I'm going to stream, I plan on streaming the entire development. If I can get on Twitch and everything else and just not have internet issues, I'm just going to straight be doing this project here. Okay, that is the plan for this one right here. Now, because of Unity and a lot of other games and stuff like that, there are, if you guys don't realize, games that are being flagged of this gender. I'm not going to say the word because YouTube might flag it and everything else as a bad word. You can't do it, and it's not advertiser friendly. So naturally, what I'm going to do is just say this gender, alright? So that, you know, the channel makes some money, you know, and helps buy new equipment and all that good stuff. But I'm going to try to, that's one reason why FPS tutorials haven't been on the channel of late, is because there's a lot of those genders and things like that that are getting flagged right now. So I'm trying to stay away from getting flagged because my channel is really small, and if it gets flagged it goes bye-bye most of the time because, well, I just have no way of defending myself on that kind of thing, which is kind of dumb, right? And I don't need strikes on my channel and stuff. And besides, I'm going to be doing this stuff up on Twitch, which Twitch, it's got rules and everything else, but it's not going to have a problem with me just streaming a development of a game. I think they probably would encourage it, actually. So, for the most part, I'm going to be streaming that stuff there, and I'm just going to straight tell you, there's probably going to be like times where you don't see stuff on this channel, and that's just due to I don't want flagging and all that other stuff to happen for inappropriate content or something of that nature, because there's a lot of good tutorials on the channel that will teach other people stuff, and that's the whole point of it, to teach you stuff. So when we do the Twitch and everything else and I'm on there, you guys can drop by and be like, hey, what you working on? What part of the game are you working on? Are you part of saving? Are you part of this? Are you part of that? And you guys can, you know, have a lot more interaction, because a lot of times I find that it's pretty cool when people just stop in and they go, hey, what's up? Or what are you doing? You know, it's pretty cool. I like it because we get some interaction. I don't usually get to answer people's questions right away. You know, commenting, I don't know, there must be some kind of trend on, hey, I don't want to comment on below a video and ask a question because it's bad or something. No, it's cool. I don't mind, because that's the whole point of the comment system. If I didn't want any comments or anything like that, guess what? I'd just disable them. But, you know, that's kind of a jerk move, right? So if you guys want and everything else, and let me know if you guys encourage this behavior to just develop on Twitch. I would do it on YouTube and everything else, but I gotta upload video, then I gotta do this and that, and it's just more of a headache than anything. And YouTube streaming thing is okay, I guess, but a lot of times I don't want to get into the whole adpocalypse, if you know what I'm saying, okay? And then people are like, oh, don't do this, don't do that, blah, blah, blah. No. I'm fine just the way that I am in my little old channel, just developing here and there stuff for people to learn from. Because I get a lot of new people, and I get some, veterans in there every once in a while. Twitch, I actually enjoy because I've had teachers in there, I've had students in there, I've had people who've just been in game development for a long time that haven't switched over to like C# and Unity or C++ and Unreal. So that becomes an interesting conversation. And sometimes, they point stuff out. Hey, why'd you do this for when you could do that? Oh, okay, cool. It's nice. I enjoy it. But like anything else, we must move on and get stuff going. Because in the end, we need all the good materials and, shooting and all that stuff. FPS, development, cool stuff. So if you guys are interested, please drop by Twitch, follow, subscribe, do all that cool stuff. If you want to donate, there's plenty of links. I don't say that you can't do it. You can if you want. I'm not saying that you have to. But, like anything else, hey, you want to buy the guy pop for the entertainment for the night or whatever, that's fine by me. I mean, I literally gave somebody like I think it was the tower defense tutorial, just the complete file, the code itself, just for like donating like a few bucks, because that's what hey, can I have this for a donate? I'm like, oh, cool. I would have probably just gave it to you, but I just don't want to like give stuff out, because then people don't learn, and then it kind of like fights against them, because after I give it to them, they're like, well, how do you do this? How do you do that? And I'm like, dude, didn't you watch the tutorials about it? I mean, like, I have like a whole half an hour video on just that particular subject, and you don't even want to watch it? That's kind of insulting, right? I mean, I wasted a half hour of my life, it seems like, and that's not cool. But for the most part, thanks for watching, guys. Remember, today, Friday, 9/8/2017, I'll be on Twitch at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I don't know what the other time zones are, but I'm sure you guys can figure it out. You're awesome and like genius, probably smarter than I am. That's why you're like, oh, I just don't want to watch this. Bye. But for the most part, just take care, and the video doesn't actually pause and everything else. I'm just not moving, and it doesn't do anything when I'm not moving, right? If I just click on this, it just pretty much freezes. That's kind of something that like irritates me when I'm going out of the editor and I'm just looking at like a website or something for just things. You literally, it stops running. I want it to run in the background. I always want this to run. I'm fine with it running. Okay? I don't want it to like stop moving in the background just because I'm hovering over my OBS looking, hey, did my stream freeze or anything? No. Then run. But I just don't realize why Unity by default doesn't. Right? but I'm sure there's reasons for it, I guess. But you guys have heard me ramble for like 10 minutes or so, so I'm going to get off here. Peace, joy, and all that good stuff. Like, hit subscribe, and comment below if you are more encouraging on this series than some of the tutorials. I'll still do them and everything, but I think you guys are more interested in just straight how it works and everything else in the background, like what you're in for. Because game development is kind of like a marathon. It's not a sprint. Okay? So this is War, over and out. And if I see you guys tonight on the stream, thanks for watching. If I don't, still thanks for watching. So peace and take care.